right, Caps Ninjas. We're here today at the Caps Dojo. It's a rainy day, and what we're going to be covering today is we're going to be working on the side kick. Okay, we're going to be working on the side kick. Now remember, y'all, the side kick is a technique. It's a good, powerful technique that we like to throw because two reasons. Okay, we like to kick for two reasons. One reason is for power. Your legs are so much more powerful than your arms. We also like to kick for distance. My legs are so much longer than my arms. So when I use my legs, I can keep the bad guy further away from me. So those are some of the reasons why we like to kick. Now, every kick we do has 4 counts. Okay? Every kick we do has 4 counts. All right? And remember, they're the chamber, the kick, the rechamber, and putting it back to the ground. All right? Now, this is the side kick. So, as you can probably guess, this is the technique you throw. This is the kick you throw when you're being attacked from the side. Same way when we covered the front kick. You use the front kick when you're being attacked from the front. You use the back kick when you're being attacked from the back. We're going to use the side kick because we're being attacked from the side. Okay? Now, when I throw this technique, I'm going to use all 4 counts. All right? Now, keep in mind, when I throw this technique, I need to keep my foot sideways. I need to keep my foot sideways. And I'm going to strike with what they call the blade of the foot. The blade of the foot is right here, that very edge of your foot. It's nice and sharp, and it digs when it hits. It's a very painful technique if you catch somebody just right, especially right in the rib cage. Okay? So from here, what I'm going to do is I am going to practice my side kick. From here, I'm usually surprised when this happens. I don't walk around in my guarding stance, so I'll be standing normal. From here, the bad guy approaches from my side. I'm going to look, bring my hands up, and then I use all 4 counts. I chamber, kick, rechamber, put it back. Okay? Now from here, just a little bit faster, it looks like this. Here. Hush! 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 Now remember, practice that at home. Do it slow at first, okay? One thing that we always say at the dojo, if you can't do it slow, you're probably not going to be able to do it fast. So take your time. The technique is the most important thing here. And practicing it over and over and over. And once you get that practice down, what you're going to do is you're going to add the and dash. We're going to try to make our getaway. And of course, if the bad guy is right here on this side, chances are I'm probably going to want to make my getaway that direction. I want to go the opposite direction that they are. Okay, so from here, he's right here. I'm going to cut. Let's cover the technique one more time. From here, I'm standing normal. My hands come up. I look. And what I'm going to do, all 4 counts, I chamber, kick, rechamber, put it back to the ground, striking with the blade of my foot. And like I said, we're going to add the and dash. From here, I look, hit, and go. Okay? Here, boom, and go. Practice the kick and go. From here, kick and go. Kick and go. Now, another aspect that I like about kicks, and especially when it comes to the side kick or the back kick or the front kick, is the ability to use the power in my legs to push off. Okay? Now, let me explain why I like the idea of being able to push off. Okay? Because one of the reasons that we're using this kick is to cause a distraction so we can get away. Okay? And the cool thing about your legs is once you get used to throwing these kicks, I can strike, and I'm going to use the wall right now because it's a nice sturdy surface. Say that this is the bad guy. I can use this kick to strike the bad guy, boom, and then push off to make my getaway. Okay? So that's one of the nifty things about kicking is not only is it a powerful, painful distraction, but I can hit, boom, and then use that to take off and make my getaway. All right, y'all. Have fun practicing that at home.